In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add social media icons to your WordPress footer step by step. This is perfect if you want to display links to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or any other social platform directly in your website footer without touching any code. We'll be using the Astra theme, which is lightweight, beginner-friendly, and very popular for WordPress websites. If you're new to WordPress or just want a clean and professional footer layout, this method is ideal. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin area and go to your dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your entire website. From here, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Appearance, then click on Themes. If you don't already have the Astra theme installed, click on Add New, search for Astra, then install and activate it. Astra comes with a powerful footer builder that makes adding social media icons extremely easy, and that's why we're using it for this tutorial. Once Astra is activated, go back to the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance again, and this time click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer, where you can visually edit different parts of your website and see changes in real time. Inside the Customizer, look for an option called Footer Builder and click on it. This is where you can control everything that appears in your website footer, including text, menus, and social icons. Now, inside the footer builder, you'll see different footer sections or blocks. Click on an empty block or an existing block near the footer area where you want your social media icons to appear. Astra allows you to add different elements into these blocks, so this gives you full control over layout and positioning. Once the block is selected, click on the plus icon or element selector and choose Social from the list of available elements. As soon as you click Social, the social media icons will appear in your footer preview. Now you can customize them. Click on the Social Element settings to add your social media links. You can paste in your Facebook page URL, Instagram profile, Twitter account, YouTube channel, or any other platform you use. You can also adjust icon size, spacing, alignment, and even change colors to match your website branding. Take a moment to preview how everything looks. Because this is the customizer, you'll see all changes live before publishing. Once you're happy with the placement and design of your social media icons, click the Publish button at the top of the customizer to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added social media icons to your WordPress footer using the Astra theme. This simple addition helps improve your site's professionalism and makes it easier for visitors to connect with you on social media. If this video helped you learn how to add social media icons to a WordPress footer, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.